Hello and welcome again to another video basic fishing. I am making my introduction again because I have a fair things to say. Yeah, as you can see, I was on the beach until for most of the day, and my objective today was trying to get a bronze whaler, but my secondary target species was also a 7 gill as well. Shark fishing is not exactly an easy thing for me, and honestly, it has its challenges, but when everything aligns and you're at the right place at the right time, man, it is really fun. I've been lucky enough to showcase some good fishing out on this beach, and yeah, I hope everyone enjoys what I have to showcase. Look at my bloody bait. Gonna use that right now. Now obviously this is a massive bait. Oh gee. I don't know if this will work, but I hope it does, because you spend a lot of time, effort and money trying to make this stuff, and if it gets denied, you just kind of ask yourself, what's the point of me doing all of this? I hope that this all works out. Frozen bait that is bloody. I mean, it has worked before, but I really need to get more bullet tuners. I hope that there are more bullet tuners available in the future, because man, they are one of the best shark baits you could use. There it goes. Clip one. Now we're ready to go fishing. Nibbles on my second shark rod, but because it's lighter, it's so tricky to know whether it's a shark or just a pickers. I really do hope that I do land a shark today. Yes, a shark. Yes, yes. Oh my god, as soon as I was taking the battery on my camera, this happens. Oh. Yes, finally! Oh. Wow! On a massive hook too. It's just dead weight though. I think it's a 7 gill, dead weight. Man, powerful. Finally. Whoa. A powerful ass. There it is. Yeah. Oh. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Second time I've landed a shark. He's not a big one. Actually, is it? Oh, he's running against the trace. But luckily it's just a wire. That's a big dog. Man, finally! I got the beast. This is a large male. No tag on it whatsoever, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna leave him in the water, so I'll get my tagging kit. Yep. Alright, so hold his tail out. Go to 0 at the very end.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Very dangerous shark. No. Oh, 183.5 centimeters. Check that shark out. That is an amazing 7-gill shark. Good sized male. And he's gonna go back, but before I do, I like to show everybody something. Like, shadow. Like, look at that shark. Long tail. And I'll show everybody the teeth. Oh, you can see at the top, it's like jagged, but bottom, it's like what do you call it? A serrated cleaver. And the Black Magic chaotic hook doing a good job. I mean, look at that shark. But he's gonna go back to live for another day. Woohoo! Yeah, good.
Korean?
Huh?
Are you Korean?
Yes, Korean.
Yeah.
What about you guys? Ah, Philippines, okay. This shark is dangerous, so run fast. Flip him. Side, like that. Wow. Whew. Now, if anyone sees that shark, tag, release it back after you measure it. Yeah. Oh, he's coming. What? He's coming back again. No. Oh, he's going. Look at that. Wow, look at that. He could just grab the tail, but he's swimming the wrong way. Swimming the other direction. I'm gonna give it a little more help. Alright. Now it's going straight. Alright, just to show people the damage shark has done. Check that out. He's bitten all over this wire, but it's good to go again. And right now I'm just gonna try and get another one. I don't need. Gee, check this out. These little pickers are relentless. No mercy to any soft baits that are in the water. I mean, look at that. Oh man. I mean, I'm glad that these pre-made dingo dangles do pay off, but realistically most of the time it's always like this at the end result. Lots of leftover bait elastic. Countless frustration and hollow baits that have been nibbled up to the bone. Let's hope more sharks will turn up to feed on the free offerings that but it's enough for the sharks. I mean, who would have thought that nowadays you can surf cast for sharks without having to use those bulky overhead reels and short rods like you would have seen in my previous video. I saw that. Wow, man, I saw my line go slack, and then I saw the, did I lost it? Oh no, still there. Second shark. It's like a school shark. I saw my line just go slack. I thought of the wind, but no, not a shark. Oh. But man, this really packed a punch, this one. You're probably wondering why am I not left-handed instead of right when riding this in. Well, it's just the way I was brought up, so deal with it. Man, there's a big shark, whatever this is. Check close to the water fish. My groin though. Might be a school shark. Whoa. Off and up silver gill. Yeah. Oh man. It's a much better sized fish too. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, my groin hurts so much. Wow, this one's a lot cooler looking. A lot of white spots. I lost the sinker. Wow, much bigger. Man, check this beast out. Oh wait, is there another? No, this is a new fish. Alright, water's just here. So there's water running. Time to get my tag. Okay. Whoa! 208 centimeters. That is my largest 7 gill. Two, three, two, three, two. 23232. There we go. Alright, but before I release him, I'm gonna put him in the water just for a little bit, just so that he can revive. Here we go. He's got water. Wow. Look at those white spots. 7 gill shark. Yeah. Look at that teeth. I mean, the serrated teeth up there. The bottom jaw right there.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Closer. Make the shark big.
Bigger than the one?
Yeah, it is. All right, time to release this beast. Oh my God, he's heavy. Oh. I am so happy I'm able to catch these sharks. This is a lot. This is a big male. Oh, oh! He's in the wrong place. I have to drag him out a bit more. Not only are they powerful, they are incredibly slippery. Oh, before boy, my phone getting wet. Alright, off you go, big boy. That was really exciting. I did not expect to land another massive 7 gill shark. And the best part is, this Black Magic Coyote hook is doing a great job. My God, this wire trace is well and truly kinking up, but it's still good to go. I'm gonna use a mullet head like this, and hopefully, I don't know, even if a third one doesn't turn up, I am very happy with what I was able to achieve today. Hooks already. Oh, I think I got another fish on. Oh yes, 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 I see the line slack. Oh, let me see the camera's on. Yep, rolling. Oh. Oh, was it the wind? Ah, damn, it must have been the wind. I saw the line go slack and I just got a little excited. Oh, oh, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! That was on a big bait too. Oh my God, the timing. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh, my groin hurts. This is definitely a lot bigger. I wonder what this could be. School shark, perhaps? Oh man, this is so fun. It's not biting much. I reckon it's on a 7 gill. Oh. Oh. Whoa. I see it. Not a 7 gill. Man. This one is pulling drag. Oh no! I'm caught around a fisherman's line. Whoa! Man, this one's acting more stubborn than before, than the other ones. These are actually quite powerful. Ah, crap, we're caught. No wonder why. Whoa! Wow! Huh? Yeah. Damn! We're caught on the beach. Whew. Not a shark for today. Man. What a... Oh no, 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 no. It's wrapped up around the line. Ah, my sinker cut off.
That's your third time in?
Yeah, third one. Yeah. Oh man, that's a lot bigger than the last one I caught. This one has no tag either. well and truly in there. I'm surprised it didn't get off. Oh my god, so easy. Luckily water is getting out of his gills, but first I want to take a photo. Yeah, as you can see, that teeth right there, ferocious. Open more. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that beast. Focus. There we go. Yep. The tail? Yep. Oh my god. He is touching 120.5 centimeters. 120. That is so big. Yeah. Alright. Now the final part. T 2 3 2 3 4. Hey, thank you. 2 3 2 3 4. This is my third shark for today, and this is my biggest one. There we go. Alright, when you see this tag, do not kill the shark. Just let it go after you measure it. Man, this is a beast, a dinosaur. He's a bit disorientated, but I'll lead him out. Usually it's the female sharks that are large, but so far this species of shark that I'm encountering are all males, and they're huge. Wow, look at that footage. He's swimming in. Wrong way. I'm getting good at this. I do not want to be getting bitten by one of these guys. He's still swimming sideways instead of towards the ocean, but he should be fine. He's his own boss. He obviously made that very clear. If this shark is a bronze, if this next shark is going to be a bronze whaler shark, I wouldn't mind. It's playing with it though. It's playing with the bait. I can see it with the line. Oh my god, yes! Yes. I just saw it. Yep. Finally. On the bullet tuna too. Oh, no! No! I guess I could try again. Oh my god, final action, finally, I just saw it. Oh, this might be it. I should back up my car though. Not sure if that was a fish or the seagull bumped into it, but I'm confident that I'll hook up very soon. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. There it is, there it is. It's a shark. Come on, come on. Yes, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. I have to wait for him to swim out. Final shark. I think he's swimming towards me. Wind the slack in just so it's easier for me. It's a big shark, all right. It's a big piece of bait. Yeah. I'm gonna let her eat it and swim off of it so that he's hooked by himself. Come on! Yeah, 7 gills. They need time to eat it. They have small mouths compared to most sharks. Oh, just happened. Yep, there we go. Good drag. Saying a sweet time. Alright, I'm gonna wind it in just to see if he's there. Yep, there it is. Oh. Wait, is he? What the hell? What is that? Oh my god, is that a small shark? Oh, what? What the hell? Oh. Are you kidding me? Well, what would you know? Everybody's gonna laugh at me so hard at this, but I got myself a small bronze whaler pup, a small female. Oh my god. Oh. That is so funny. She should be okay, I hope. This is so funny. This has never happened to me before. But now I've got a second bronze whaler to tag. Before I do that, I just puncture a hole. Now the tag number here is T23236. 23236. And I'm gonna let the water run over her just so that she's okay. Put the tag in. Yep, well and truly secured. And the total length of this shark is... I still can't get over how hilarious this is. Oh, shoot. Very cheeky of you. Oh my god. Come on, hold still. What do you know? I did catch my target species after all. The shark's total length here is 70 centimeters. All right, Just gonna put the shark here. Put my tag kit here. Now I'm gonna get some photos. But first I need to get a selfie camera shot. Check this out, everybody. My final fish for today. A baby female bronze whaler shark. As you can see, she's got a tag and everything in it. But man, this was so anticlimactic because I thought I had a 7-gill shark. I should probably get her back. But yeah, talk about a final catch of the day. Yep, before I release her, I'm gonna get some photos. So, yep. We'll just release this little guy back home. Let's see if she will swim off. Sharks are resilient, but I'm still concerned about her well-being. But I hope she survives. Just support her body, let her to rest. I'm gonna run the water through her gills. I'm gonna circle it around just to help her breathe through water. Alright. There we go. Oh, final catch. Done. Final catch done right there. I hope everyone has enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more fishing videos. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you all next time.